so much about this crazy game we call love that I'm trying to understand. Why can't you be my best friend before you call yourself my man? Why can't I love you in slow motion? Take my time, take away the pressure on my mind. Really get to know you, but rewind. Can I love you in slow motion? Why can't I?